Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and today we're going to talk about one of the 3 ways you can use your oils. So essential oils can be used in 3 different ways: aromatically, topically, and internally. Aromatically is anytime you're breathing them in, anytime they're in the air. So a lot of people feel like they have to have a diffuser to be able to diffuse or to use them aromatically. That's not the case. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a steamer in a mug or in a pot so that you can breathe those oils in to support your respiratory system. A lot of people have respiratory issues this time of year. So today we're going to be using oils in a pot. You can also do this in a mug. We're going to create a steamer so that you can use those oils that you either have in your home or are thinking about getting in your home aromatically without a diffuser. I just put my kettle on. We're waiting for this to heat up. This is just water, and we're going to put this in a mug. You can also do this in a pot on the stove. So if you don't have a kettle or you don't want to do it in a mug for some reason, you can just do this in a pot and leave it on the stovetop. This first group of oils is like a sinus steamer. You can use these 4. This is lemon, oregano, melaleuca, and peppermint. You can use these all together. I would do just a couple drops of each in a pot, and you're going to stand over the pot or over the mug, whatever the case may be, and you're going to breathe that steam in. The second option is On Guard and Breathe. These are both blends. Breathe is respiratory support, and On Guard is the protective blend. That's your immune system support. So you're going to be supporting both of those systems in your body naturally when you put these in a mug and breathe these in. I also have out my frankincense because it's going to be a wonderful addition to either of these blends or by itself. Frankincense has been nicknamed the king of all oils, and for good reason. It's so versatile. If in doubt, use frankincense. If you have something going on and you don't know what to do, frankincense will help so many different systems. It covers so many different areas that it's just a really great go-to for most people. So this month, doTERRA is giving away frankincense in these large bottles for free if you place any 200 PV order. Now my kettle is steaming, so I'm going to put some in this mug. You don't have to have a lot. You just want it to be steaming, so it doesn't have to be full. You're not drinking this. And I think I'm going to do the On Guard and the Breathe. So I'm just going to do 2 drops of the On Guard and 2 drops of the Breathe. And already I can smell it. It's just immediate. You're going to smell it as soon as you open the bottle. You're going to put those drops in there. And you can see, I don't know how well on camera you guys can see that steam coming up. You're going to put this underneath your face and you are going to breathe this. So as you're breathing this in, you're supporting your respiratory system and your immune system. This is a wonderful blend to use if you have anything going on, any kind of yuckies. This is something that you don't want to let a little one hold by themselves. This mug is very, very hot just to touch. So you don't want to let your kids do this by themselves. If you have a little one that you want to breathe this in, you just want to have it near them. Even having it like right under my face can make my eyes burn if I leave it there for too long. You don't want that to happen. So you just kind of want to, maybe if you have a little one, just kind of wave it toward them so that they can breathe that in. I remember as a child, my mom would put Vicks in a pot over the stove. She would have me lean over it and she would put a towel over my head with the pot off. So, I mean, she was right there. It was safe. But she would have me do that if I had any respiratory issues throughout the winter at all. So in today's scenario, we were using the Breathe instead of the Vicks. So this is just a more natural way to open up your respiratory system and support that system by using something other than a diffuser. So if you don't have a diffuser yet, you can still use your oils aromatically. You can still breathe them in. The steam is going to come off of this for several minutes. I use my gas stove to heat the water. So if you are off grid or anything like that, you can still heat water. Then you can still do this. If you do have a diffuser, these are my 2 favorite oils to diffuse at night, the On Guard and the Breathe, because your immune system is most awake and alert. It's working its hardest when you're sleeping. That's why Granny always told you to go rest. You need to be in bed and just chill out if you're sick. That's because the old timers knew that if you are sick, you need that rest so that your body can recuperate. That is when your immune system is tackling what it needs to tackle, whatever's going on in your body. So while you're resting, it makes sense to support that system most. So before we go to bed at night, I like to put some On Guard and or Breathe on the bottoms of our feet, sometimes up the spine, to just help support those body systems while we're resting, and then have them in the diffuser as well. So I hope you guys got something out of today's video. I hope this helps you to learn how to use your oils a little bit better. Not everybody starts out with a diffuser, and some people just have some oils. If you just have peppermint oil, that's a wonderful one to start with. if you need to do something like this and support your respiratory system. So I hope you guys got a lot out of today's video. If you liked this, be sure and put a thumbs up. So many people are looking for respiratory support in natural ways this time of year, so be sure and share this if you found it helpful. And if you're looking for more essential oil education, I post daily over on my Facebook group, so it's Amanda Clark's Freedom Essentials. You can find that through the links in the description box below if you're looking for education. We are doing 12 days of Christmas right now, so I'm giving away something every day for these first 12 days of December. And we're also doing 31 days of frankincense. So we're learning about frankincense every single day this month, and it's really fun. And you guys ought to hop over there if you're on Facebook so you can learn some more. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys!